The crypto market is full of hype, scams, and projects that disappear overnight. But here's the truth. Out of thousands of coins, only a handful are actually worth holding for the long term. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 cryptos that I believe have real staying power, massive potential, and could completely change the future of money, technology, and even the internet itself. The first one is the king of them all, Bitcoin. It's not just another cryptocurrency. It's the foundation of the entire digital asset world. Institutions are adding it, countries are exploring it, and everyday investors trust it as digital gold. Bitcoin has proven itself as a store of value, a hedge against inflation, and the one coin that's likely to survive decades no matter what. Next is Ethereum, the backbone of DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. It's more than a coin. It's a global platform powering thousands of apps and projects. With upgrades making it faster and cheaper, Ethereum is building the infrastructure for the decentralized internet of the future. If blockchain is the next evolution of the web, Ethereum will be at the heart of it. Then we have Solana, known for lightning-fast speeds and ultra-low fees. Developers, NFT creators, and even gaming projects are flocking to it. Sure, it's had challenges, but its ecosystem keeps growing, and if it maintains momentum, Solana could easily become one of the strongest platforms of the next generation. One project that doesn't always get the spotlight but is absolutely critical is Chainlink. It solves the key problem of how blockchains connect with the real world. By feeding live data like prices, events, and supply chain information into smart contracts, Chainlink makes blockchain technology smarter and more powerful. As adoption spreads, Chainlink is positioned to be the bridge between digital and real-world industries. And finally, there's Polygon. It's solving Ethereum's biggest issue, scalability. Polygon makes transactions faster and cheaper, while still benefiting from Ethereum's security. That's why some of the biggest global brands are already building on Polygon. As the Web3 space expands, its role will only keep growing. So those are my top 5 cryptos for long-term holding: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink, and Polygon. These aren't just hype tokens, they're projects with real utility, proven ecosystems, and the potential to dominate the future of blockchain. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and drop a comment on which coin you believe will lead the next big wave.